AI can replace humans.
Okay. In my point of view, I think AI can't replace human because uh, humans have their different ability. If we talk about AI also need humans. Like if we want to uh, need some information, and AI can't tell us without our help. Like if we use nice command, like if we tell uh, him, like please give me information on that topic, he needs human also. Like they can't use their own brain alone, and AI needs help of human and everything. If we, like example, if we want to create an presentation from AI can't make presentation on alone. He needs to, like they AI wants some commands that only human can give him, and that's it from my side. Uday, you want to say something on it?
Yes, Unnati, I agree with you. So we can't replace the human with AI, but somehow I have a different point of view. We can't replace, but we can change a little bit. Just like AI can do the increase, AI can do the more task accordingly human. And next we can give the task AI to 24 into 7. They can do work, but human can't do that work on 24 into 7. And if we are talking about the cost reduction, then definitely we can do the cost reduction. If I am talking about the company's perspective, so they can use the AI and they can make some automation tools with the using of the AI. So they don't need to hire the human candidates, because human candidates are most costly, but they can make some automation tool and they can work with that tool for a long time. That's it. If anybody want to add something, Sakshi, you can share.
Yes, that the AI is not completely replace the human because some work that work human, but AI is not completely work just like 24 hours work, and but like complex problem and rapidly solution. That's why.
Okay, so I totally agree with all of you, and there are some few points that I should be include that. So, if I'm talking about the AI, so yeah, that is a what we say universal truth. AI can't replace human because human made AI. So that is not like that is not happened in the future or any other time, upcoming days. So AI can't be replace human, and but yeah, AI can destroy the human because if if you know uh, if you know to like watched robot movie, yeah, so it's totally like in my point of view is totally what we can say totally depend on the AI. So uh, AI can't replace human, but AI can destroy the human if we do instruction to AI. So AI can easily do that task, and there is AI has no feelings or what we can say. She just doing their task, and but wrong instructions make chances to destroy human. So that in my point of view.
Ansh, you want to say something on it?
Yes. Uh, to begin with, I would like to say that AI is not just a technology, it's a revolution. Revolution, much like industrial revolution, but more cognitive and dynamic. While some people might think that AI will eliminate their jobs, but I strongly believe that AI should be seen as a collaborative tool, not a competitor, because AI can used in various tasks like repetitive tasks, and it can also help humans to uh, to enhance creativity and think more cognitive and play better roles. And moreover, we ought to prepare ourselves for AI-driven future. In conclusion, AI should not be seen as a threat, but rather than as an opportunity to evolve. Thank you. That's all about myself.
You said well, Ans, and I would like to add some points as well. As so it is the change, and we should change the adaptability. We should become adaptable of the things, because technology is changing day by day, and just like there are some pro and there are some cons of the everything. Same like with the AI. So AI we can use the, just like we are using the chat GPT. So we are using the chat GPT, we can do the most of the task with the help of the chat GPT, and we can do big task in a short period of the time, and we can get the good resolution from the chat GPT, and we can do work in our office very quickly. So it is the, we should learn the new technology, but we should not to depend on the AI totally. So there are some cons as well. As just like most of the companies, MNCs companies are reducing the job, because most of the people are fired because of the new technology is coming and already came in the market. So most of the jobs are going down, and we have a some opportunities as well. As just like if AI will increase and everything will technology will increase, then definitely we will get the more opportunities in AI technology, just like cyber security. As I am talking about the my current role as a SOC analyst, we have to monitor, just like uh, we have to monitor, and cyber attacks are also increasing day by day. So we have to monitor with the help of the AI tools, and everything is increasing. That's it. If anybody want to add anything else, then you can share definitely.
I'm totally agree with you, Uday, but there was some point. So I would like to say that AI AI in the future can causes the humans jobs. Like if we talk about some past day, so Canva was presented their Canva code where the people like without write the any code to make their website through the Canva code. So Canva code is just like to make a website, any type of website. Just type. So Canva code uh, write their code and just put it down. So it can be causes of human jobs because AI replace to human. But there are some point that AI can't replace human, like some places where humans more need to AI, and some places there will AI more needs to human. Like if I'm talking about AI software, AI was made their software, so most of people fired their job because of AI. So it not be good. We just depend on, but we not totally depend on the AI. It my side.
Okay, but I think if we have a proper knowledge how to use AI, we can use AI in our favor. Like if we use AI in that way, if she AI can help us, so it's a beneficial for us. Like it can reduce our work, our time, our money. It's it. You want to add something?
Totally agree with all. You all have shared well. But one thing I want to add, like we have to be practical. Can any have you ever think how AI becomes this much important in our life? Because of whom? Because of us, we use AI. We depend on AI for very simpler tasks. Like if we have to search for a very basic information, we just open Google, open ChatGPT, and search. But so we are depends on AI. So, but it is practical, like it saves our time. So if we think practically, then we should learn AI. We should learn how to use AI efficiently. If we know how to control the AI, then AI should be beneficial for us because AI is already becoming more important in our life. So we can't fully stop it to use. But now we can do only one thing. We have to prepare ourselves with the future driven AI. Thank you. It's
Okay, have you found the conclusion?
yes, ma'am.
All right.